One paints the future red and bright, one paints the nation pure and white. Both got posters 10 feet tall, both got ears behind the wall. One says blood will make you clean, one says class will feed the machine. Wave your flag and learn your part. Different slogans, same cold heart. Smile for the camera, stand up straight. History's knocking at your gate. They built tomorrow while they fill the trains. Funny how salvation comes with chains. They promise you tomorrow while they're digging you a grave. Different little slogans for the same obedient slave. Left foot, right foot, tell me which one suits. Welcome to the future, now pick your fucking boots. Here's your hero, 20 feet high, never gets hungry, never tells a lie. Meanwhile, someone scratched away from yesterday's photograph today. Books get thinner every year, neighbors vanish, never fear. The paper says the crops are great, there's nothing fucking left to eat. Raise your glass, but watch your mouth. Paradise is heading south. The glorious future's right on track. Just don't ask who's coming back. They promise liberation with a rifle at your spine. They promise perfect order if you stay inside the line. Choose your anthem, choose your suits, then kiss the ground beneath the boots. One checks bloodlines, one checks class. Both got questions when you pass. One wants papers, one wants names. Both got lists and both got trains. Marching bands, the leader waves. Factory smoke and nameless graves. Everybody cheers on cue because the guy behind them told them to. New man, same cage. New world, same rage. New flag, same gun. New dawn, now fucking run. There's a bureaucrat behind a desk making murder look grotesquely blessed. Stamp goes down, the file is clean. Congratulations, you've served the dream. Mother cries, the portrait smiles.